a great choice today with the 2020 Ford Mustang. The Mustang is race-worthy and ready for the track. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, keyless start, cruise control, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, aluminum wheels, floor mats, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.